what we've been most recently working on is our business-to-business site, EveryRim.com. And it's taking what Billy's kind of dreamed about and thought about on how to take a used wheel and put it in the marketplace. We've got a system where we're grading wheels from A grade, nice, beautiful takeoffs, all the way down to something that we consider a C grade. It's something that's worn. It's perfect for somebody that just needs, a used wheel that's going to be straight and serviceable and get them back on the road.
With our site and our descriptions, and in rim text, we describe a little bit faded. This would be a C grade. A little bit faded, well worn, and it's very inexpensive. These wheels are cheap, but safe, straight, and serviceable for that 15-year-old car. All right, you want one that's reconditioned? Okay, we got that too.
Exactly.
So